For the simplified transistor circuit of figure, calculate the voltage VO. We have to find this voltage VO in this circuit. Solution. First we will redraw the circuit. Let's say this is node number 1 with voltage V1. This current is entering. This is I and this current is 400 I. Let's say this is reference node with 0 voltage. Let's say this current is I1. So we will apply KCL at node V1. So here we will apply KCL. So summation of all the entering current is I plus 400 I. I plus 400 I is equal to summation of all the leaving current. Leaving current is I1. This will be 401 I is equal to I1. This will be 401. Now this I is 30 millivolt minus V1 by 1000. 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus V1 by 1000 is equal to I1. I1 is equal to V1 minus 0 by 2000. V1 minus 0 by 2000. So this will be 401 into 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 by 1000 minus 401 V1 by 1000. This will be minus V1 by 2000 is equal to 0. This will be 401 into 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 by 1000. 0.012 0.01203 minus this will be minus 401 by 1000 minus 1 by 2000 minus 0.4015 V1 is equal to 0. This will be 0.01203 is equal to 0.4015 V1. So this will be V1 is equal to 0.01203 by 0.4015. Zero point zero 1203 0.4015. This is 29.96 into 10 raised to minus 3 volt. Now we have to find this I. So because VO is equal to 5000 into 400 I. So to find this I is equal to 30 millivolt minus V1. 30 millivolt minus V1 by 1000. So this will be 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 minus answer, which is this V1 value, by 1000. 37.35. 37.35 into 10 raised to minus 9. The unit of current is ampere. VO is equal to 5000 into this current 400I, but the direction of this current is opposite to the polarity of VO, so therefore this will be minus 400I. VO is equal to 5000 into minus 400I. So this will be 5000 into 400 into I. The value of I is answer. So this minus 74.71 into 10 raised to minus 3 volt, or therefore VO is equal to 74 minus 74.71 millivolt. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.